Assalamu alaikum. Brothers and sisters, all the disbelievers are Trinidad and Tobago. I want all you to open all your eyes and what is going on in this country. The Prime Minister of Trinidad and Tobago, Dr. Keith Rowley, and the Minister of National Security, we seen him killing all them black people portraying by and talking about he back in the police and them just kill them. Yes, I show you. I hear to say, see them two individuals, there is fraud. You understand what I'm showing you? The Prime Minister and the Commissioner of Police is fraud. You trying to tell me, right? Millions and millions of dollars spending on crime every budget. Every budget they invest in millions in the crime, and the crime only getting worse. They invest in millions in the police department and new vehicles and bigger guns. You understand what I'm showing you? Millions they invest in. So why the situation not getting better? All the poor people trying to kill. It's still having guns coming in the country. Why it not getting better? Tell me this. Tell me all them cameras they have from my success. You understand? From my success to Parsley Street. All them cameras they hook up, the millions of dollars they hook up in all kind of equipment and things. Them still can't prove up to this day that Prezi at Beetham Gardens and Berkey from Down Sealot is not gang leaders. They could prove Raji Ali is a gang leader. They could prove Boombi is a gang leader. But up to this day, they can't prove Prezi as being a gang leader. And they can't prove Berkey and Tyson as these fellas are being gang leaders. They lock up Prezi once, people get their head bust, they pull people out of car, they rob about 80 something fucking maxi. And them fellas is not terrorists, as I'm showing you. And up to now, they still in evidence these fellas controlling gangs. The gang legislation is only for Muslims. They could only prove Muslim leaders as gang members. Up to now, they can't get the right evidence. Dr. Keith Rowley. So I'm sure you see the Prime Minister? The Prime Minister freed these fellas. I telling all the personal, the Prime Minister freed Berkey. The Prime Minister freed Prezi, Keith Rowley, all in them. Yes, I'm showing you. The Minister of National Security, he freed them too. He tried to go down Sealot by the shoot up them jeep and them down there. Yes, I'm showing you. You can't play no big boy thing down in Sealot, Guy Griffith. Yes, I'm showing you. Guy Griffith is a little limbs. Them freed Prezi, them freed Berkey. But why what them do is step down, relax all yourself, give you a little clearance, just move the police from off my success there. Just move the police from my success and move the police from down past the street. What us be watching them over Helliard. And if all they care pronounce, if all they care lock them up as being gang leaders, do frightened, we go put them in fucking body bag for all you. Because all you free them now. You understand what I'm showing you? All they care do all your work. If all you only lock up Prezi now for inquiries, the whole place going fucking mad and all you're afraid that. And he's not a terrorist. He's not a terrorist, he's not a gang leader, he's a normal law-abiding citizen. And all the millions of dollars, all they spend every budget with the crime only getting worse. You understand what I'm showing you? All they can't prove these fellas as gang members. They have about 100,000 cameras, some success straight up past this shit, boy. I'm telling you. You telling me not one of the, all they lock up Jai. Yeah, so I show you every minute, all they lock them up in and out, all they lock them up. So I show you, he's a good brother. All they lock them up in and out of jail, in and out of jail. Tell what this would all they finally game a murder case. Yeah, so I show you there. All they finally game the murder case. Up to now, you lock them up. All they see nobody pull nobody out, no maxi, no 80-some maxi get robbed. Nobody in come around, no innocent people. Yeah, so I'm showing you. But them little cock a hole on them over there. All they lock up Prezi once, not even fucking 10 minutes. And the whole place in chaos. People afraid to come outside. Innocent people think getting fucking take. And the Prime Minister up to this day ain't do fucking nothing. Yeah, so I'm showing you. He's trying to do one set of fucking shit. One set of shit he doing with the taxpayers' money. You trying to tell me all that millions of dollars them investing in new police tactics. They can't prove them fellas and them is gang leaders. But all them move, all them mother can't. I tell you all them move, all them mother can't. Give we a clearance, open the road for we, and I go show you how we does get the work fucking done. You understand what I'm showing you? Because we can't be voting no prime minister in the country who afraid fucking man. Afraid man. You can't even call a shot to lock up a boy because the place going and go mad. You understand? You can't control them fellas. You understand? So better they stop give them the fucking people money, dog, and just move the police and success, move the police and the fucking bus shoot. And we go see all who agree sit up, all who killing thing with hijab, and all who killing this. But them fellas know it's the police saving them. Them know this. Police the top of success, watching the back. And police down by fucking hell watching the fucking back down there and pass the fucking shit. So I show they shoot up a fucking police car down there a couple months fucking back. Up to now, nobody ain't get charged nothing for that Rowley. Free them fellas, I saying that. Dr. Keith Rowley, the Prime Minister of Trinidad and Tobago, freed Prezi. And he freed Berkey too. And they freed Tyson. Because the whole world know them as gang leaders. And the millions of dollars all they invest in, all they by fuck away now, man. All they move them police jeep and them from down by success and them before we all start the fucking move.